Testing. This is Dwayne Mooney. This is for class today. I want you to look at this. Look at this good. This is the Euro US on the 4-hour chart. Go here to the day chart. It looks the same. So what do you think that's going to happen? You want to put a buy in here. You can do a buy. You can do two things. You see, this is the real support right there. You can tell because right here you see it came down to it. You see this candle stopped in this area. This is just extra here coming down here, but the real support is this area right here. So it's perfect time to do a buy. We believe that it'll go all the way up to this area. This is the day chart right here. Okay, it'll go up. So it's time to do a buy. You get in the position here. Click it. You click buy. Right, we're in the position now. Came in at 1.773. And it was a 4-pip spread, so it put us at 1.1769. That's a pretty big spread. It'll shorten in the spread about 2 pips. Right now it's 3 pips. Remember, we don't look at the last number because that's a micro number. So we look at the 1769 or the 1.1769, the 1.1773. Remember, the last number is just a micro number. So we're in the position. If we go here, this area right here, I can't see if let me open this up. I think that's the biggest it'll open. If I put this line here, that'll be at 1.1746. So that's about 20 pips. You could actually, so I'll put this at 1.17, 40 pips beyond 23. I'll put my stop loss. Because if it goes down some more, I don't want to be in the position anymore anyway. If it doesn't go my way, so I'll get back in it at some point because it's going to go up at some point. 23. So I give myself, so that's 50 pips. Give myself 50 pips, and just to check, I'll just do my take profit at 100 pips, just so I can walk away from it. Really don't have to worry about it, but it's going to go up and up. It's going to be crazy. This will probably be a 200 run. But just in case it hits that, goes up and snaps back. Because if you look at here, 11873 is around this area. Around this right in here. Yeah, so it's got it right around this area. So, we'll see. But I think it's going to shoot up in the next week. Probably hit here. We'll see. But as you can see, it came all the way down here. If you count the days, how many days is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Over 30 days, look where it was up to. Over 30 days ago. So it probably will take that long or even longer to come back up. So we want to catch as it goes up. Then when it retracts back, we want to get out. Then hit support again. We want to get back in, etc., etc., etc. Okay. See, like right now, it looks like it's going to be coming down a little bit. But, it's going to turn around. May hit 1746 because that's the support you can see on the 4-hour chart. it may hit there, but it's only 30 pips. So it's going to go up. But I think it's at a good support. And if we look at this on the 4-hour chart, that's the area it's trading in for the last couple of days. You see how it's starting to go up? You see? Because it's at that support area. And it's at the bottom of the support, but this is the trading area. Oh, it's coming down again. But it's not going to come down too far. This is the trading area right here. And we're at the bottom of the trading area. So we can relax. Like I said, it may come down to 1746. If it comes down to point 1746, we just get in another trade. Okay? But I doubt if it's going to hit this low. Well, you see? It's tripping. That candle's tripping. But if it did hit this low, we just get into another trade right in this area. So we'll be in two of them. Because it's going to eventually go up. It's just when. Did we time it correctly? I think we did. As you see we're at zero already. See? Now we're in profit. Okay? You see how it's playing? Now we're out of profit. But you see it's going up. You see it very clearly. If we go to the 15-minute chart, you see it. You see where it was. Okay? So it's going to play, again, we're at that area, even on the 15-minute chart. We're at a serious support. Like I said, it may come down to here. But again, that's the 15-minute chart. It's nothing. Only 30 pips down. Okay, so look at that for today. I'm in 7 minutes. I got a 15-minute timer. So that's the Euro US. That's the trade of the day for tomorrow. Look at that. And get in. You may be able to get in at a better price if it comes down lower. That is the trade. Okay. All right, that's Sunday's trade. Oh, I saw on the Australian US, there was a gap. This is what I want to show you for a Sunday. On this is a small gap though, so I can't really look at it. Right, going candlestick. A gap is when a trade, and that gap is so small I can't even talk. I won't even talk about it. I can't even talk about it. But you see that gap? When there's a gap strategy on a Sunday, I'm able to talk about it. And look, more. U.S. Japanese, we're looking at a sell. When it comes up, though, come up to this point, we're looking for a sell. Right here. We want to top off at this resistance. Then we'll get into a sell position and write that down. Okay? It's going up. No, right? It's too late to get in it. We would have wanted to get in it around this area. Here. This area. But now it's at the top. It's at a resistance level. We want to write it down. Okay, so we'll look at that. We're 20 pips out for a trade. I would lock in a if I would do a pending order, but personally I don't trust it yet. 11.07. I would do a pending order, at 11.40 if I'm going to do a pending order, because it may go past that. So if I do a sell limit price 11, which I don't think it'll hit, so I'll do it at 11, just in case, 11.20, 25. I don't think it'll hit, but yeah, we'll see. So now I got a pending order. See, it came in 11.25. So if it hits, goes up to 111.25, which I doubt it will be in a great trade. But I'll be looking at this, I'm just walking away. I'll be in it just in case. I'll be looking at it to see if it hits this resistance at 1107.07 and start going down. Okay? And as you can see, this RSI is almost at the top. So it's really showing you. You see, these are top points here, here. I really don't use the RSI, but it's just to give you another confirmation. You're at the top, so you know it's going to come down. Okay? So we're just waiting for it to peak. And we'll be checking that out, especially on the 15-minute chart of when to get in. Okay? Probably want to catch it this up in this area. 110.96. If we go all the way up. Here, you see? Head up this area again, this resistance. That's when we want to get in. So we'll watch it for a sell. See what happens. Okay. That's it for me.